Hello, young scholars. Welcome to Amazing English class with Miss Rebecca. Today, we'll be looking at letters of the alphabet. Letters of the alphabet, and they are basically capital and small letters. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters. Capital letters are also referred to as uppercase or block letters, and they are used at the beginning of sentences. For example, if I want to write the boy is coming, the first letter in that sentence is T and it will be written in capital. Capital letters are also used to begin proper nouns. Proper nouns are specific names of things. For instance, if I want to write the word January, my letter J, which is the first letter, will be in capital. On the other hand, small letters are referred to as lowercase and they are used in general writing. Now, we want to make words with the letters. I'm starting with the first letter, which is letter A. Letter A as in apple, letter B as in bird, letter C as in cat, and letter D as in dolphin. Letter E as in eye, and letter F as in frog. Letter G as in giraffe, letter H as in hat. Letter I as in ice cream, letter J as in jug. Letter K as in key, letter L as in leaf. Letter M as in mouse, letter N as in nose. Letter O as in octopus, letter P as in pig. Letter Q as in queen, letter R as in ring. Letter S as in sun, letter T as in tree. Letter U as in umbrella and letter V as in violin. Letter W as in watermelon and letter X as in xylophone. Letter Y as in yacht and letter Z as in zebra. Alright, you can practice further by trying to make more words with the letters. See you next time. Bye.